In this video, I will show you how to create premium looking Shopify store so you can start selling vendor links and make shit load of money. This video is going to be so beneficial, so please stick until the end and don't skip the video because you can miss on a really crucial part. Let's just get straight into the video. Alright, in the description of this video, there will be a Shopify link just like this, and all you guys want to do is click on it, and then this page will pop up. Here you will receive $1 a month trial for Shopify. And no, it's not affiliate link. You can also do it by searching Shopify on Google and open the first link. I just made it to be easier for you. So on this page, you need to enter your email, then hit start free trial. On the next page, just skip all. After that, you need to select your country. I live in Bulgaria, so I will select it from the menu. Hit next, and now choose a way to register. After all these steps, you should see the Shopify dashboard. Now it's empty, but don't worry, yours will look completely different after a week implementing the steps in this video. Now the second part, and probably the most important, is your product. You need something to sell to your potential customers. In this case, you're going to be selling vendor links. I already did all the work for you and created a bundle with already more than 5,000 vendors you can resell or just use for yourself. You decide, but I will keep updating the vendors and adding more as often as possible so you can get the best value. You can purchase them here on our website for just $7. Now let's create our first product. I decided it to be AirPods vendor as they are the most popular now. Go to the products tab, click add product, and in the title section type the name of your product and type that it is a vendor. To create your image, I suggest using Canva as it's the easiest and cheapest way to create unlimited designs. By the way, on our website we have a lifetime Canva Pro subscription discounted at only $15. So this will be really useful for our next step. After opening Canva, you should create a new blank project with dimensions 1500 pixels by 1500 pixels, as we need a square. The next step is to find a good background for your image. I suggest using something dark if your product is light color and something light if your product is dark color, as it makes the product contrast better. After a little bit of searching, I chose this background. You can add it in your design by just clicking on it, and after that you should resize it so it fits the frame. Now go to Google and search for an image of your product that looks good and then upload it in your design. I chose this image as it's perfect for our design. The next step is to remove image's background. In order to do that, just click on this BG remover button, which you can use only in the Pro version. That's why you need Canva Pro subscription. If you decide to buy it, the link is in the description. Now center the image like this. The next thing that we will do on the image is add a little bit of glow to it. Right click on the image, copy it, and then paste it back in the design. Separate the two images and select the one on the back. Click on edit and then find the blur option. Select the whole image and increase the blur as much as you want. I prefer around 70. Then go back, and if you want you can adjust image's brightness, contrast, saturation, and other things you like just to make it a bit more shiny. After that, make the blurred image slightly bigger than the original one and center it where you like. After that, put the original image on top of it and your glowing image is ready. The next step is to add text to the design. Go to the text menu and import the text. After that, type the name of your product and under it type that it is a vendor so people know what they are buying. Adjust the text position and then choose a font you like. I selected this one because it looks cool and interesting. After that, change the color of the text. I went for the white color again as it matches my product. Now we should add some glow to the text as well, so go to the effects and find the neon effect. Then adjust the intensity and your text is ready. At the end, I decided to add some stars to the design so it doesn't look that empty. Of course, you can leave it like that. It's completely fine, I just like this way. And now your design is ready. Now just download it to your computer so you can use it in Shopify. Go back to your product page and import the image you just created into the media section. I recommend to use only one image because there is not much to show about the product. Leave description empty, or if you want you can add something about the vendor. Now it's time to type the price of your vendor. For example, I decided this one to be $10, but you should type it $9.99 as it looks more appealing, then add some higher price to the comparison price, like 50% more. This is a trick for your customers to think that they are getting it for cheap, but actually the price is the same. Remove the charge tax on the product box and type 0 on the product cost field as it doesn't cost you anything to create the vendor link. Remove the track quantity check because you can sell the product unlimited times, and also remove the check that says it is a physical product as you're not going to ship the product, and that is for the product. It's almost ready to sell. Now the last step about the product is to add the vendor link to it. So when someone buys the vendor, Shopify automatically ships your product fast and fulfills your order. In order to do that, first create a text document on your desktop or wherever you prefer. I will use Microsoft Word. Open the text file and paste your link in there if you want. You can make it looks a little bit better by adding more text, thank you for the purchase and other stuff. But now I am not going to do it because the point of the video is to be short and informative. After that, save the file and head back to Shopify. There, go to the apps section and click add apps. Go to the Shopify app store and search for the app called Digital Downloads. It's free to use and will get the job done. Follow the instructions in order to install it, and after that you should see this page with your products. Choose the product you need and click on add digital files. Then upload the text file you just created and your product is ready. Now it's time to customize our store. I will keep it as simple as possible. So the theme I chose for the store is the ride theme. Click on customize and go to the product page. The first thing I did is to remove the text that says my store. After that, I decided to change a little bit the colors. And I chose this dark purple color as it matches my image. Then I changed all of the other yellow colors to the same purple and went through all of the other schemes to change the other colors also. Basically, I will use purple for the background and white for the text. At the end, I changed the text on the announcement bar to 50% sale that ends midnight to add more scarcity. I also decided to change the header logo position to the center. The point is to make the page looks as simple as possible. And at the end, I decided to not leave the home page like that and just removed some of the non-necessary sections, changed the image to the vendor image, and added a text and a button to redirect the buyer to the product page. I'm not really designing the home page, as in 99% of the cases, buyer will be redirected to the product page. And the last step is to create a logo. I went to Canva and for 5 minutes I came up with this simple logo. You can easily create similar one. Now just come to the logo tab, upload your image, and everything is ready. At the end, I decided to remove the menu as it doesn't look good. And as I said, as simple as possible. So now guys, it's your part. Get the vendor links, create your store, and you are ready to sell. In order to advertise your store, I recommend buying your product and making videos with it, then uploading them to YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, reviewing the product, or just create any video related to the topic. And if you are consistent, the money will start coming. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Peace.